highest level is 16.
Okay.
So in case maybe the room is too cold and you want to reduce the temperature, just open it like this and just increase it to maybe 21. And also, this is your key.
Yeah.
So anytime you're going out, you have to take your key.
Okay.
So as soon as you take the key, the AC and the lights will be off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And also here, we have the iron board here.
Is that right? Okay.
So from here, we move straight to the dining area where we have your microwave. Microwave is here.
I see.
So you have your saucepans and other stuff here.
Okay.
So here you have your knife and other stuff if you want to cook yourself. And also here you have your over here. So this is the dishwasher.
Okay.
So you have the water here is complimentary.
Thank you.
And also this is the thermostat if you want to cook.
Okay.
Yes. And so you have a tea and amenities here.
Okay.
So this is a fridge. It's a freezer.
Okay.
So you have extra things here if you want to use the toaster, ice buckets.
Okay.
And also we have extra glasses here.
Okay.
Extra teacups. And also we have the extra bowl here.
Okay. Great.
So from here, so this is the dining table. If you want to sit here and have your maybe your dinner or your breakfast.
All right.
And also this is the steady desk.
Okay.
And so this is the television. And in case maybe you want to reach out to the reception or maybe the restaurant. So we have a telephone here.
Okay.
So you're now moving to the room.
Okay.
So this is your room. And here you have your TV to be here. So that's the remote in case maybe you want to relax and maybe use your TV, you just pick your remotes.
And that's what I do here.
Where you can park your other stuff here. So you have the extra pillow to be here.
Okay.
Your shoe rack where you can park your shoes and other stuff.
Yeah.
So here you have your safe to be here, your bathrobe to be here.
Okay.
And so this is the luggage rack in case maybe you want to put your luggage here.
Yeah. Okay. But my bag is my suitcase here yet?
Yeah, my guy will bring it.
You'll bring it. Okay.
So straight to the washroom.
The washroom.
So
Okay.
this is the washroom. And also, please, anytime I'm going to bath, please be extra careful with the glasses here.
Balcony. So I'm on the 8th floor.
Yes.
Oh, that's
So
scary.
this is
Oh my world, this is lovely but scary. Why am I scared of heights?
yes.
Okay, is this a different room?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So,
You have
wow.
to see.
I have the sea view. Where's the sea? I can't see any sea. Oh, look at it right there. Okay, this is called the #1 Oxford Street Hotel and Suites here in Accra, Ghana. The signage, where is it? The screen, let me zoom in on it. #1 Oxford Street. Is that it? Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, so thank you. This is beautiful. That is the bed area. He has given me a full tour, so there's no point rubbing it in. But am I loving this? I am totally loving it. Okay, so this is gonna be my home for the next 2 days. Oh my word! So I just got back from Accra, and what am I seeing? Look at this! Oh my god! I have to run back to pick up my phone to do this recording. Like, look at this! This is gorgeous. Thank you guys, Accra, and they surprised me with a birthday cake, which I put in the fridge. By the way, I just came up, put this in the fridge. Look at that. They gave it to me at Accra Wazo. And here we are. I just got into the room. I'm like, whoa, 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 what's going on? This is beyond video. This one looks like proposal. Oh, this is gorgeous. Thank you, #1 Oxford Street. Happy birthday to me. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Let me fall into this. first floor, number 1?
Yes, one inside the elevator, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Nigel's downstairs. Okay, so I've arrived at the pool and it's looking all pretty. Okay, that's the gym area, which I'm not ready for right now. And the pool is pretty. I had to ask to be sure it isn't deep. No, I don't want anything deep here. So, oh, lovely. There's a lifeguard who shall be coming to meet me real soon, which is a good thing. Okay, you're correct. Is it the same height? Is it the same
A
level?
little bit
Deeper.
shallow.
Deeper. There?
Shallow.
Okay.
Started.
I'm a champion, I told you. Now I'm done and I'm heading back to the room. I come in on the go, I've seen Egypt Air, I saw Emirates, and I don't know which this is. Yeah, this is what the nighttime view from the one Oxford looks like. I'll just go back to my room. It's about 11 p.m. I have a 7 o'clock flight to catch. So this is good night, people. Good night. Okay, so this is goodbye. Thank you for having me. I called for help for my luggage. I believe help is here. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I'll be down in 1 minute, or even less. Okay, as usual, I check that everything is taken, collected, ready to pick up my bag. Pick up my bag. Off we go. Goodbye, number 1 Oxford. I'll miss you. Turn off that TV. Goodbye. See you another time, hopefully. Okay. Take my card and say goodbye to tomorrow. Thank you. C2. This is C3.